let's give this a shot. I just pretty. I don't know. The setup is kind of well. Basically, got a lot of morsels going on, but not a whole lot else. Uh, it's kind of scary. It takes too long to ramp up. I just got a holdover on the grovel, which might save the run, but I wouldn't bet on it. Um, yeah, this hermit, he's not quite doing enough damage to just clear out rooms all by himself. I've got, I don't know, a lot of stuff that's kind of nice in theory. Wish I could go through my deck faster. Like, if I could scale this guy up and give him trample and quick really early, that would be nice. I don't know if that's going to happen. This might be winnable, but even if I do win, it could easily take more than one attempt because I haven't really thought it through all the way. On the plus side, this is probably the best Seraph to play. I haven't purged all of my bad cards yet, so if I pay attention to this, I can give my second shuffle a little bit of help. Let's see. Oh, and in the store, I bought these because these also might save the run. There's a lot of ways that the run might be saved, but that just means the fact that I'm even thinking about it in those terms means that I think the run's in trouble in the first place, you know? So, yeah. So I guess I can give this guy a damage shield for starters. 2 damage shields. I don't know if that's necessary because I don't know. They might have sweeping, they might not. Well, if they do have sweeping, this guy's covered, but this guy starts out with 2 life steals, so the 2 damage shields aren't really gonna do a whole lot. Oh, if I play him right now, he dies. Oh, I guess I can use this. He just barely survives. Wow, okay. Except right now, that would be consumed. That would be bad. Where's this go? I think it has to go here. I think if I remember correctly, the other floor needs exactly that much. Okay, now I can play this, and I can play that. Why is he? Oh, because this guy has quick, so he's not in trouble yet. But I do like this is a holdover spell, so I do have to cast it regardless. I guess if it's going to matter, this would be the one. This guy, he's going to heal it back regardless, but and then he loses the damage shield. This one, the damage shield would carry over. Oh, if I draw cards, I think I still have to play it. Okay, that's not the worst. So many cards. I can't play them all, though. What am I doing right now? Do I just let these hit the pyre? I don't think I can afford that. So what's the alternative? Okay, this one, I guess. I don't really want to get rid of any of these others, but I'll play this one first. I do with 3 energy, there's just not enough. I need to start filling this floor out for sure. That one's a problem. It's hitting the pyre for more than I can handle right now. That one I can kill and then I get my energy back, so that's good. But this one's still gonna be a problem next turn. sort of want to play this one because this unit is just gonna be dead meat if I don't. But then, look at all these cards I don't get to play. I think that's too important. Okay, and then get rid of this, and then we kill that one, and then I get to play one more, right? Do I just want the bottom floor to get big, or do I want to help out the second floor? If I wanted to get crazy, I could use cave-in right now. I just don't. That's probably not very good. If I do that, then I don't really get the morsels going anytime soon. I could use these two maybe instead, and then do other stuff later. Yeah, I think I got it. I think cave-in is wrong. I think this goes here, maybe? Maybe this goes here. Something like that. This one unit could get through and it would survive, but it would be very bad. And then the Seraph keeps summoning one unit for 15 damage every turn. Like if he does that on the top floor and I don't have a goalkeeper, then that's a big problem. Right now, there's not a whole lot I can do about this one. I put this one up just for later, because there are going to be turns where he summons something on the top floor, and then I don't have a way of dealing 3 direct damage. That's just a thing that's going to happen, I think. Like I don't have, like, here's 1 to 2, 3 cards that sort of help me deal with that. 4 if I'm desperate, 5. I don't know, it's just looking really sketchy. I can really afford to bring this down to 7 pyre health. That's just yeah, the alternative's looking really bad too. I think this one, my pyre is totally dead if I don't do something about this right now. Okay. I could do this, but it probably doesn't even help, does it? What are the alternatives? There's no alternative. Okay, so I can do that and then question mark. Who did I want to have quick? This, I think my champion needs quick, maybe? He's quick the most. I think, yeah, this guy, hopefully I get regen on this one, so he doesn't really need quick if he gets enough regen going. But the champion kind of relies on quick to save health. He will quick and he'll need trample. Okay, so what are we doing here? At least these two waves are looking... Well, that one's not looking all the way dead just yet, but we'll see. This is closer to viable, but it's... like, this hump in the middle. If we can get past it, I think we might win the final wave, if we can make it a little bit farther. Okay, so... how much do I have to do here for it to make a difference? It needs to do 28 damage to save one hit, and that's I'm not even there. Okay, so which card do I want to get rid of? Oh, this one right here. Yeah, that one's already got consume. Either that, or I could cast this one just specifically because I want to get rid of it. I don't like have enough energy to do that, though. Do I like having these in my deck? Yeah, I think I like having that in my deck, so let's not get rid of it. Let's cast this one instead. Oh, right, that one's not dying fast enough. That's still a problem. Oh, if I play this for the morsel, then I get to find out what I'm gonna draw. But that's... right, that was the plan. I almost forgot. What do I draw? Oh no. Oh no, I wanted to play that. I guess I just have to draw... I just have to draw my deck as fast as I can now. Oh no, that one's not dying. That's a problem. That one... I absolutely have to deal like 34 damage. Or it's GG. Like, do I draw Cave-In next turn? No, I do not. Or maybe. I guess there's 4 cards, I'd get a reshuffle. Ooh, that's really extra bad. I've got a Vine Grasp, and I've got a Snare, so it's not dead yet. And I don't have enough energy, so I would like to get rid of a bad card. I feel like I don't have enough energy to do that. I should just play a good card that already has consume. Because I don't think I'm going to get to the bad cards. Yeah, if I can just draw those extra energy cards, then I'm looking a little bit better. I have to do that. Then I have to do that. Okay. Like, even this, I don't think I think I just have to take the damage, because everything else is just really important right now. Trample doesn't work quite yet, but it's almost there. Oh no. Next turn's even worse. Okay, now I need cave in just to survive one more turn. I think this is just really stupid. Yeah. Oh, that's just terrible. Do I want to cast this first? What do I want to cast first? I'm going to lose whatever I cast first. I guess this one. I just need the energy. I would love to get rid of these, but I just never have the spare energy to cast it first. Okay, so... this is just so stupid. This is just probably a big failure. Okay, now I cast this one. That one's over. Let's see. That one's killing itself on the spikes, so that's not a problem. This one, maybe? But then, like, I'd still have to kill everything next turn. I think it's just bad. Well, I'm really just trying to get the energy. I'm not really trying to kill them I'm not trying to use that for the damage exactly. What even does anything here? I guess... see, that deals 10 damage. Like, what even is anything? It's all bad. So what do I just do? I just hope that I draw cave in again. This is getting pretty ridiculous and kinda hopeless. The damage shield is sort of, and this is a nice card, I guess, but then if I absolutely have to draw cave in next turn, then it's sort of interfering with that. So maybe I don't play it this time. Do I play these two, or do I play that one? If I play this, then this unit me killed with just a sting or something, but then like who cares? I still die if I don't draw cave in. Like, this might be the only way to beat Seraph if it goes that far. If I played a morsel this turn, if I do play a morsel, then I might draw. Let's see, what do I end up drawing if I play it? nothing of consequence. It actually just helps me go through my deck if I do it, so that's good. Because Caven's in my discard pile, so I'm kind of really screwed. Okay. Oh, wow, the thing happened. The thing. Oh, wow. I forgot about that. I wasn't tracking this number. It's Shadow Box. Oh my god. Like half an hour ago, whatever that was, I said that Shadow Box. I just casually bought it and be like, yeah, maybe this saves the run, and maybe it just did. I might still be dead. But wow, we're gonna find out. I don't know, this bottom floor is kind of weak. This middle floor is a little bit stronger. We might still be dead, though. Okay, one more floor before the boss fight, so these Vengeful Shards doesn't matter. It's 2 damage. I got Mind Clap? Or Cave-In, whatever it's called, sorry. Do I just do a Cave-In and a Grovel? Like, what's the alternative? There is no alternative, right? I could not play the Cave-In, but I feel like... yeah, I'm losing out on a lot of damage if I don't do that. Is there anything that generates energy here? Anything whatsoever? I guess I could play the morsel, see what card I draw. Maybe I start drawing the extra Ember stuff. If I play Cave-In, how many... I just don't want to go over the unity limit and screw it up, but that's fine. I've got 4, 5. I can even play this on the bottom floor, and there would still be room for Cave-In. I'm gonna get better morsels when I play this, so let's just play it on the top floors to draw the card. I need to make room in my hand. This generates 2 cards, right? Yeah. Okay, so this goes here. I guess that's the best one I'm gonna get. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 of this and a copy is 6, 7. So I can play that. I have to play that first. Yes. All right. Came in. Let me do the math here, and before the game's gonna do the math for me next turn. But what am I gonna have? I'm gonna have, well, my damage shields are gonna be all gone basically. I'm gonna get 1 damage shield. I don't remember how much Seraph does. Probably like 30 per turn. So that's like 90. Another 80. It's 170. 200, about 400 damage per turn. So I need like 8 turns. More like 9. I'm probably screwed. It's going to be really close, because when we get close to the back... Oh, those regen stacks. Unfortunately, that guy's in the back. He needs to be in the front, but he can't. He can't make it. He's going to be just almost out of regen stacks by the time he gets to use them. Okay, I've still got 2 damage shields left over, but oh, he summoned more too. It's kind of sad. And here's all this excavated embers that I was really hoping to play. Oh, I'm winning already. I didn't think that was enough. I thought I was just lacking in damage and like frontline and stuff, but apparently I'm okay. I don't know. Something that I like to do though is I like to just play everything out. Like pretend that, just sort of see how much margin for error actually was left over. It just feels like a good exercise. You know, as long as they don't have some passive that causes that to be self-defeating. Don't need to play that because of the sweeper. Where were those excavated embers when I really needed them? Like, I really wanted to get rid of all my curses, and I wanted to like play all these spells that cost 2. Get my scaling going. I think my RNG was relatively bad, and I still came out okay. The only RNG that was good was this. I think I did a little bit better than 50-50 on the wing clippings relic. Everything else about, I think the draw order was... I mean, I drew Cave-In twice when I would have died otherwise, so I don't know, I can call it a wash. I don't know, maybe my luck was pretty average, and and the 2 things that I really needed to happen that would have just ended the run, they happened favorably at the last minute, so... Yeah, okay, let's... Good luck and bad luck, like a superhero movie, is kind of more in line with the luck that I got, I think. I had Hollywood RNG, I guess you could say. The final fight's not quite as close as it would be in a Hollywood movie, but yeah, good stuff. Alright. I was pretty skeptical about this one, but I'm glad that I recorded it. I had a feeling that... Well, I'm really happy that I didn't have to restart the battle for it either. I actually got this one clean. So, let's play it out. But yeah, after my champion dies, this is actually pretty close. I mean, I've got the Hollow and this Animus. It's like there's like a few hundred more damage worth of ability left in this team. I guess I've still got a couple of damage shields. Yeah, but I don't know. Pretty close call, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that was just... Wow. Yeah, it took me like 4 or 5 tries. There's something about this clan combination, it's just, sometimes it's like, dude, where's my damage? It's really hard to get them to scale up fast enough. And the reason my pyre health was so low in the first place was because in the previous ring, I took the 400 gold challenge. I mean, that's why I got the shadow box that saved my. So it kind of. I paid a steep price, but then it sort of paid for itself. That's why I had enough gold for shadow box. But yeah, I took the 10 armor challenge, and then you saw my sweeper unit. It wasn't like super duper buffed up or anything, so that 10 extra armor consistently kept those units that give you curses alive. They kept surviving, and so they kept making it to the 3rd floor. So I would have 3 dead cards that cost 1 energy, just piling up, and it was just really, really, really awful. Oof. Wow. Anyway. That was a real tough one to get over. That was like, took like 3 or 4 runs with that to get that out of the logbook. Or get that in the logbook, I guess. Yeah. Wow. Why do I do this to myself? Yeah, that load screen took a really long time because I think I have too many browser tabs open in Firefox in the background. In case you're wondering about that. But, yep, there it is. Got a little crown. Just that one little crown on the logbook. So it took a lot of effort. Ooh. I'm not sure how I feel about how this is going to work with melting remnant. I guess just have one floor where you do all the Umbra stuff, and then everywhere else you do the melting stuff, and then they just sort of, you draw this sort of line, and then you guys go on one side, you guys go on the other. At least I think that's how that is going to work out. And yeah, just sort of doing it in order, and then got a lot left to go on here too. And then that'll be it before the DLC launch as far as achievements go. Well, that and these. I think one time I got Bone Dog, but I didn't actually win the run, which is really sad. I think the DLC is going to add a special event that's just for the Bone Dog to make it a lot more common, so this is probably going to be a lot easier to fill out when that happens. And then, yeah, that'll be it.